STEM learning should be engaging, inclusive, and designed to spark curiosity. But delivering excellent hands-on instruction in every classroom is hard. That's where Vernier Connections powered by Penda comes in. Connections is a powerful STEM solution for grades 3 through 12 that blends interactive lessons with hands-on investigations and meaningful assessment, giving students multiple ways to explore key concepts, build proficiency with the science and engineering practices, and make sense of real-world phenomena. Every activity is handcrafted to the NGSS and aligned to state standards. And Connections makes it easy for science teachers to infuse more hands-on learning into their classrooms. Students use Vernier's wireless GoDirect sensors to collect authentic data, then analyze and interpret it, organizing tables and graphs, spotting patterns, and applying math and computational thinking to construct evidence-based explanations. A variety of assessments, from questions embedded in every lesson to high-stakes test prep, enable teachers to gauge learning and adjust instruction to meet their students' needs. For district leaders, customizable reports provide insight into things like adoption and student performance throughout the district, driving data-informed decisions that improve learning outcomes. Connections supports diverse learners with built-in scaffolds, activities offered at multiple reading levels, flexible display options, text read aloud, translation into over 100 languages, and more, making learning accessible for all. Gamified elements like avatars, points, and leaderboards reward students' learning and boost motivation. Plus, Connections saves teachers time with ready-to-use lessons aligned to your district's pacing calendar, auto-assignment, auto-grading, and LMS integration, reducing teachers' prep time without compromising instructional quality. By combining the strengths of digital instruction with real-world hands-on investigation, Vernier Connections powered by Penda empowers teachers, engages students, and elevates STEM instruction.